Okay, for this next tutorial, we're going to head to SpicySwap.xyz. Okay. Connect wallet. Temple, in this case, you can use Kukai as well. Hit connect. Now we're going to open up the SpicySwap app. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to pick, it should load in a second, WTZ, and then we're going to go ahead and switch to SPI, okay? And those numbers and stuff you saw, that's actually contract addresses. That's the token contract address, in case you didn't know, okay? So we're going to press 1, and that'll give me 247 SPI. Wow, SPI really took a dump. Okay. And slippage will be 0.1. This doesn't happen automatically, so if you wonder why this doesn't light up, you just press the 0.1, okay? Hit swap. Hit confirm. And a lot of people, they say this is complicated and they don't like it, but to be honest, I think Java had basically two choices. He had to basically launch on the day he said he was going to, or he was going to have to postpone it, and he'd rather launch something that isn't quite complete than launch nothing at all. However, I think the communication could have been better, or he could have postponed it for a week. I think everybody would have understood. But I think, yeah, that was part of the confusion, and that's part of why the SPI token is dumped so hard. However, this interface is amazing. I'm sorry, but like this is better than Uniswap. Like it works really well. It is very confusing. The mechanics are confusing, but it works really, really well once you get used to it. And Uniswap was the same way. They just had people who explained it a little bit better from the get-go. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and head over to the liquidity tab. And we're going to select the pair. We're going to select Wrap Tezos. We're going to click SPI. Okay, so from here you want to go ahead and, since the max, if you hit max on this XTZ, will take you above your maximum amount of SPI. You actually want to go ahead and max on your SPI, then hit add. Hit the 1%. Hit confirm. And there we go. Now we have our LP. And you just wait a couple seconds, and the LP, it might not show in, it won't show in your temple, but it will show in the Salsadao, and I'll go ahead and show you that in the next video. So let's head over to the next video.